So for the last 2 days, this is what I've been up to. Probably should have done a YouTube video on building this deck, but I didn't, and I'm really regretting it now. Probably would have been a great video, but I just wanted to get this done. Definitely gonna do a video on whatever structure is gonna go on here. It's gonna be a cooking / sitting area. We'll get the video on the structure done here pretty soon, but yeah, definitely regretting not doing the YouTube video. But here's what we've been up to for the last 2 days. Building this out here, having a nice area to sit and cook some food and enjoy. So once again, I started a project, or I should have started recording, but I didn't. The deck is done. As you can see, I can't stain it yet. I gotta wait for this wood to dry out a couple weeks at least, because it is pressure treated wood. Want to make sure it dries nice before I start putting a stain on there. Otherwise, I'll get some blotchiness, or I won't get any stain to actually stick to it. But I really want to get this gazebo up. It's a 10 by 12 gazebo. It's going to go on this platform right here, so we can have, like I said, a cooking / sitting area to enjoy. But that's what I'm working on right now, getting this gazebo up. It's going to take me quite a bit of time. I started last night, but it started to get too dark, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this up today and see what it looks like when we're done. Okay, almost done with the gazebo. Lots of mess on the ground. Started the roof. Hardest part was definitely the top portion there. Definitely a 3-man job, down to 2 towards the end, and then I can do the rest basically by myself. But yeah, deck is looking nice. Hopefully it dries out quickly so we can get that stain. But the roof, almost done with that. Again, this is a 10 by 12, so it has a hook right there. We're gonna put a fan with the light in there so we can enjoy that at night as well. But yeah, just loving the way it's coming out. All right, so the gazebo and the deck are both complete, and I just love it. Looking great. Don't mind all the mess. I got to clean all that up after I was done. But I'm getting ready to put together another grill so we can have in there. But yeah, loving the way it looks. Came out beautiful. I wish I could stain that right now, but that's going to take a few weeks before I can actually stain it. But let me take you in here. Angie and I were talking about the contrast. It's aluminum steel, so it's got that nice light wood color, and then the black top just absolutely makes it pop. We got a fan here that we bought from Amazon, very inexpensive. I think it was like 40 bucks. I can put it down in the description below. But the light is enough light here at night, and this is a 10 by 12, like I said, and it provides plenty of light. You can change the color on that, make it daylight, soft white, pretty much whatever you want on the Kelvin spectrum. So that's beautiful. The fan can go faster, slower, whichever you want. But just loving the way this whole inside looks. Absolutely beautiful. We haven't put the netting yet. This is the rail for the netting. We might do some curtains so we can block this side out, just so we have a back wall here, and maybe do some plants later. Angie was talking about maybe doing some evergreens. That's something that will come in the future, but all this is to provide some nice room to maybe do some hanging baskets in the future also. But yeah, loving it right now. This gazebo absolutely came out beautiful. Step back a little bit so you guys can see it. That's what it's like, guys. If you're interested in this gazebo, I'll put it down below where we got it from as well, and the links. You can take a look at it. It was very inexpensive for this size gazebo. I think I paid, I want to say $600 tops. But I'll put it down there below so you guys can take a look at it. But yep, that's what it looks like. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video.